Consulting Joe here, and today I want to talk about 3D printing small objects. So here's an example, and we've got our bamboo slicer open. So I just imported this small object, and what we're going to do is first orient it. So we're going to click lay on face, click on the bottom, and then click away couple times, and now we can see it's a tiny little cup. So if we select that, and what we want to do is clone it, so we right click and select clone, and we want to choose 5, hit enter, and now we've got 5 of them. So from here we right click in an open area, click arrange, and we'll see it like this. So maybe we also auto rotate. Yeah, so that's fine. And then another important setting we need. So having more of these allows the layers to cool because there's more to print. Another thing we want to do is go under support, and we want to, go under other, and we want to set brim type to outer only, and I like to set the brim object gap to 0.17 or 175. We'll go 1.7, and the width of 5 is good. So now when we hit slice, we'll get this nice bed of plastic to hold on so things don't go anywhere. So that should be all we need. So from there you just hit print and send her off to the printer. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.